Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show how to rotate a single page or a figure or table that is too big so that you want to rotate it to the other direction of the document. So how to rotate a page or figure or table to landscape or portrait in the Word document. So when you write a report or an essay for your work or study, you may often come across where you have big figures and tables, or sometimes images that can be horizontally rotated, i.e. landscape in a Word document. As you are drafting your document in a vertical direction, which is general. So in the portrait layout, you'd like to rotate it. So I have an example here. As you can see, the table and the figure is quite long. So it can be rotated. The page can be rotated so that I can actually extend this table or figure so that it can actually show better and increase the readability. But it's actually quite annoying if you try to use the function here when you're actually home, when you go to layout. So you have actually this orientation tool which you can use for this purpose, but when you try, actually it's not really easy and it's not actually working out as you want it. So for example, you click on this table, this figure, and then try landscape. Then the whole document changes to the landscape. And you don't actually want that. You want the regular form of the document but only the figure oriented as a landscape. So let's go back. So here I am going to show just in a second how to rotate only a figure, including the figure title here, the caption, or also table as well, so that you can actually make them more readable by enlarging them horizontally. What you need to do is just select, it's very easy, just select this figure, including the text that you want to rotate together. This can be like you can actually choose more or just table in the caption, the title of the figure. So just select the area and then go to layout tab. It's gone already, so if you are home, just go to layout tab, and then instead of going to orientation, you are going to margin. So click margins and then go to custom margins. So you have many different things here. So what you are going to do here is, if you were here or here, click layout tab here in the middle. So I'm using Mac, so it might be slightly different on Windows. So, but it will be quite similar. So go to layout tab and then click here page setup at the bottom, click, and then here you have orientation tools, so change it to landscape. So originally this is which is a selected, regular portrait form. So select this and then OK. Don't close it yet. What you need to do is here, apply to, you need to change not the whole document, but selected text, so that this orientation applies only to the selected text, not the whole document. And then click OK. And this is it. As you can see, So this page didn't change to landscape. Only these, the ones you selected, change it to landscape. It's very easy, right? So it's now shown in a separate page. You don't need to make any break, don't use a break function or anything. It's just very easy and it doesn't really cause further, more headache, which I have experienced before. So what you can do actually here, just click this figure, select it, and then you can just increase the size as you wish. So it looks actually much better when you have like many columns here. So now what you want to do is, well, actually you can, it's actually done what I wanted to show you, but I'd like to try one more with the table. As you can see, it has many columns, rows, and you actually want to increase the size, but it doesn't really work as you wish. So what you want to do is just go back. So exactly what we did before for the figure above. So select everything that you want to rotate. Go to margin, select custom margins, and then page setup, rotate, orientation, rotate, okay. And then this is very important, selected text only, so that you can ensure the whole document doesn't change to landscape. So you can actually see this has been changed. Okay. Voila, so it's done here. So it looks actually reads much better. Maybe you can adjust a little bit here and there if you want, so the words are not cut in half. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. So hopefully this helped you figure out how to rotate a part of the data text in your document, in your Word document that you are drafting. Please leave a comment if you liked this short tutorial, and if you have anything, if there's anything you'd like me to cover as a short tutorial video, please let me know, leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you again.